Welcome back to the channel. If you're on a weight loss journey or just trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, you know that snacking can either make or break your progress. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple and healthy snack ideas that are not only delicious but will also help you stay on track with your goals. These snacks are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and super easy to prepare. Let's jump right in. First up, we have a classic, apple slices with almond butter. This snack is perfect when you're craving something sweet and satisfying. Apples are high in fiber, which helps keep you full, and almond butter is packed with healthy fats and protein. Just slice up an apple, spread on some almond butter, and for an extra flavor boost, sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on top. It's a simple yet satisfying snack that will curb your hunger and keep your energy levels steady. Next, let's talk about Greek yogurt and berries. This one's a go-to for me when I need something quick and nutritious. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, which are great for digestion, while the berries are loaded with antioxidants. Just add a handful of mixed berries to a bowl of Greek yogurt, and if you like a bit of sweetness, drizzle some honey on top. This snack is not only tasty but also helps you feel full longer, making it a great option for weight loss. Now, if you're craving something savory, Veggie Sticks with hummus is the way to go. It's crunchy, creamy, and oh so satisfying. Slice up some carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers and pair them with a serving of hummus. This snack is low in calories but high in fiber, which helps with satiety. The hummus adds a nice dose of protein and healthy fats. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies. Next up is a snack that's both creamy and sweet, cottage cheese with pineapple. This combo is not only refreshing but also incredibly filling. Cottage cheese is low in calories but high in protein, making it perfect for weight loss. Pineapple adds natural sweetness and a dose of vitamin C. Mix them together, and for an extra nutritional boost, sprinkle some chia seeds on top. It's a light, satisfying snack that's perfect for any time of day. And finally, for a snack that's high in protein and healthy fats, try hard-boiled eggs with avocado. This one's a game changer if you need something more substantial to tide you over. Hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of protein, and when you pair them with avocado, you get a snack that's rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. Just slice up an egg and some avocado, sprinkle with a pinch of salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Simple, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying. Those are my top 5 healthy snack ideas for weight loss. These snacks are quick, easy, and most importantly, they'll help you stay on track with your goals while keeping your taste buds happy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on new content. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite healthy snack? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.